We are being led by Mr. Kapil Sibal, Lordship. He's on his legs in.
That's okay, but on this point, the judgment has been delivered.
Yes.
32 can't be used as a review petition.
Devesh,
No. That is, I am only saying.
Are you advocate on record? Are you advocate on record?
No, I am not there.
Who is advocate on record?
Lordship, I am actually briefing Mr. Sibal, Lord. So he has just
advocate on
requested
record.
Lordship not just to
Who is
see.
advocate on record?
Mr. Rameshwar Prasad Goyal, Lord. He's in some.
So you argue on, he may argue.
Then Lordship, I will just seek.
see, because this very point seems to be covered by
These various appointments are covered.
That is why, my Lord, we are saying, Lord, in the state of Bihar, when it has been done, then it may be done.
No. Judgment recently.
That Ramesh Sharma,
For these very appointments, my friend is seeking to challenge at page 250. It's a 50-page judgment by my Lord Justice Lalit and Mr. Justice.
No. That is my Lord. I just trying to confuse the issue, Lord. What I am saying, Lord, that was totally on a different thing. Here, my Lord, we are saying that there is a judgment. There is a notification on the basis of which Lordship they got the appointment. That notification has been quashed by this Honorable Court, saying that it is in violation of the
Anyway,
of the
the judgment of this court is there.
Yes, so that is why
These very appointments,
may I just submit one thing?
When you apply for,
Then
he can apply for review if he wants.
No, Lordship.
He can apply for review.
State petition will not be maintainable.
Yes.
May I submit one thing?
These will not be maintainable.
May I just submit? That is why I am saying, Lord.
And the guise of writ petition you want to.
Review.
No. That is the.
What you are saying now could have been.
No.
Asked for at that time.
No. May I just explain the case, Lord? In Lord, this judgment, Lord, on which I am relying, that has come in 2023.
Yes.
In 2021, the judgment which was passed, Lord, there was no issue which has dealt with the.
According to you, all the appointments pursuant to the notification of 2020
Yes, Lord. 2018.
should have been cancelled.
Yes, Lord.
That relief has not been granted in the earlier.
Why? Because at that time.
If at all you want to have that benefit, then go and file review.
No, Lordship. That petition, like kindly see, Lord. I will just read the observation in that particular.
Petition would be maintainable.
Yes, that is why I am saying, Lord. Lordship, give me just one, or Lordship may pass over. I will just seek his because I will then I will address Lordship today itself, no? Lordship, because when there is an instruction from him, kindly pray to your Lordship to adjust for today.
let him come for 4 weeks.
It's judicious. Last time also, there is nothing in the matter.
There is a court
at page 250
appears and argues the matter.
You may just take instruction whether you would like to go for review or not. That's it. Otherwise, we are not entertaining this.
Lordship, may I submit?
Will dismiss or you may withdraw.
Lordship, with respect, may I just submit one thing? Since I am being led by a senior counsel, let him not.
We have read the
That is
papers.
the handicap with me.
We have read the papers also.
That is the Lordship, may I have it on Friday with great respect. Will come with the instruction on Friday.
with great respect. It's a waste of 4 weeks time.
Yes, ma'am.
Accommodation is asked for on behalf of the petitioners, list after 4 weeks.
Please, on a Monday or a Friday, Lordship.
No,
Whatever.
it will come with regular.
All right.
Much obliged.
23 there is a letter possibly.